The real power of the Affiliate Automation Academy is in its automation system. Once you set it up, you don't have to spend all day chasing leads or sending messages manually. Here's how it works. After posting short viral videos on your Instagram, people will start engaging with your account. Instead of you reaching out to every single person, the built-in DM automation takes over. It automatically sends messages, builds conversation, and shares your affiliate offers. This is what makes the Affiliate Automation Academy stand out. You don't have to do sales calls, you don't have to pressure people, and you don't even have to be online for your business to keep moving forward. On top of that, the program focuses on high-ticket affiliate offers. That means when the automation does its job, you're not just earning small commissions. You could be making $1,000 to $2,500 from a single automated sale. And because the Academy comes with templates, content strategies, and a simple 20-minute routine, the entire system works without you needing advanced skills. So if you want to put your sales on autopilot, sign up for the Affiliate Automation Academy today through the link in my description.